Hi folks, Master Chef PorkChop coming to you once again from the little Blackstone grill. Sitting here, I got the beautiful Cornbread Diva back here behind the camera. We just posted a little blooper for you guys so you can see it. We had a little funny, had a little funny that just happened. And we're fixing to cook up a Japanese fried rice meal with some zucchini and onions, some baby portobello mushrooms. We have some steak. And we got some shrimpies right here. We got some eggs, of course. And we got a little surprise for later. But we're going to start off right now. We're going to put a little oil on the grill. Do this just like the Japanese do. I'll make a little noise here. I don't flip the spatulas. As long as the spatula don't flip on me, we'll be all right. All right, we're cooking up some zucchini and some onions. First thing off, just got the little Blackstone that's smoking. He's hot. Look at that there, Cornbread Diva. Woo, honey hush. Okay. Now put a little seasoning on it. We got a little all-purpose seasoning here we use. It's called Nature's Seasoning. It's got onion, garlic, salt and pepper. We just call it the SPG for short. We're gonna put a little seasoning on these puppies right here. We're going to put a little teriyaki on these little puppies. You see all these Blackstone guys out here, they use two of those spatulas at a time. Old Master Chef PorkChop here, he just uses one. He don't need but one. Cause the little junior Blackstone, I don't need that kind of real estate. Putting these baby portobellos on here. Man, they smell good. They got a real good earthy smell to them. Mushrooms always, they got an earthy smell. They good things. We got our veggies over here cooking beside me. Add this over here. I'm gonna add a little soy sauce to these baby bellas here. Give them a little bit of soy taste that they got their mushrooms. Nothing like some good mushrooms, man. Those things look great right there. I got the flipping these bad boys around and putting these bad boys around. And I'm going to add just a little bit of butter to them. Now, everybody knows butter and mushrooms go good together. Look at there, folks. Put a little butter there with them mushrooms there. Come on now. But we got the onions. I dropped the onion on. Man, these things are jumping off the grill tonight. They want to be eaten so bad. Yeah. Lord have mercy. How the outdoor animals, they'll give them something to eat after a while. That's fine, but we got to feed the critters too. We got these zucchinis over here cooking with these onions. As Justin would say, these onions. Cooking it up there. Look at there, folks. That Cornbread Diva's getting some good footage right there now. She is a master behind the camera. One of the best camera personalities I've ever had there. Not saying she's the only one I've ever had, that's true. But she's good. She's good at what she does. Look at the mushrooms, how sauteed they are. Ooh, honey, hush. Lord have mercy. We're putting these zucchini and baby bell mushrooms and onions in a bowl. Get them off this here little Blackstone. One for the road. There we go. Yeah, folks. A little bit of clean on the grill. A little bit of scrape on the Blackstone. And push this right over to that patented grease retrieval system the Blackstone is famous for. Oh yes. Alrighty. I'm going to turn the Blackstone down just a touch. Going to add just a little bit of oil here. Let it calm down just a little bit. Those that uses those big 36-inch Blackstones, you can have a you can set your different zones, your different temperature zones, like your front, middle, and the sides. But when you got the baby Blackstone, and they you have to adjust your temperature according. That way, you don't have you don't burn up stuff, and you don't have hot spots as bad. So I got him on low right now, on very low as he can go, because we're fixing to do eggs. We got these farm fresh eggs, right directly from our little lady Clarabelle and little lady Nugget. And it was a boy. Look at there, folks. It's a little boy. We'll bust up the yolks. And we cook these eggs up. We want to chop them up like this right here. Make sure you get them all good and cooked. Alrighty, now we're going to add a little bit of butter to the grill. We call this butterfly in the Japanese industry. It's butterfly. Get a little butter there. Get a little butter on the grill. A little butter on the grill. Put a little bit of oil in there, not much. Okay, y'all all seen the eggs already. So now I have pre-steamed this rice off, and it has peas and carrots in it, and it's ready to cook. All we gotta do is put it on the grill. Listen to the sizzle. You always want to To make your fried rice, you always want to steam off your rice earlier and put it in the refrigerator and chill it so that it doesn't clump up and get all, you know, all nasty. A lot of people they'll cook their rice in those instant pots and they get all gnarly and everything when the rice is not, you know, when it's not been allowed to actually settle. We got the grill on high, and we just got to cook this here till we get a little bit of the moisture took out of it.
How long do you refrigerate it?
I prefer to refrigerate mine 24 hours or more. That way it has time to chill down after it's cooked. And some people uses the white rice, the plain white rice, which that's okay too. You can do that. You can use the plain white rice. This here is jasmine rice, which it works just as good. There ain't nothing wrong with it. There's nothing, no foul, no worry about it. It's just what it is.
Don't use my name in vain.
No foul, no worry. We just flatten it out here and let it cook, and let all that goodness just cook and get all blended together. Because we're gonna be adding some stuff to this here. We got our own high. Now we're going to add our secret ingredient to it. Which is Japanese Coca-Cola. Come right from Japan. I need to brush up on my Japanese lingo. But you just add a little. Just add a little of that. And we gotta add our soy sauce. Soy sauce makes her brown. You can see the color of it changes as it gets turned. This was taught to me by a longtime Japanese chef that we used to know for years ago. They don't often tell folks their trade secrets, but I had a really good friend that gave me his insider information there. And you just cook this stuff. You want to make sure you keep it stirred, keep it stirred, and keep it flipped, and your fried rice is going to be a success. But remember, if you're a tip to do your fried rice, you need to cook off your rice good and fluffy. Put it in a container in the refrigerator overnight. I say 24 hours, at least 24 hours. Get it good and chilled before you take a notion. Either cook it in the wok or on the flat top, because it just makes it work better. Check it out there, Cornbread Diva. Get a good zoom on that right there. Look at that fried rice. Look how good that is. That right there will make a puppy pull a freight train. I won't say make you slap your mammy, because I don't recommend nobody slapping their mammy. That could be hazardous to your health. And this fried rice is done. It's ready to come off. It's had all the cooking it needs to be cooked. There, folks. We're back. Got the grill all clean. Ready to rock and roll here. Kick it back up on El Mundo Hado. We got some top sirloin here that we're going to be cooking. I've done had it already seasoned and ready. You're going to sear it just a little bit on the side. Get a good sear on it. We're looking for about a medium rare. Alright, and we got some shrimpies going on here. These are just medium shrimpies. They're good though. They're all good. Just enough for me and the Diva to have. We ain't expecting no company, so. We'll let them cook there for just a few minutes. These sirloins right here we got. I trimmed mostly all the fat off of them earlier today. A little butter on it. I like that butter. A lot of people wait to finishes off their steaks with their butter. I like to put a little on there while it's cooking. That way now my mama wouldn't have nothing to do with this butter now. She had a fit if you put butter on anything she's eating. But we're a little different there. Add a little butter to these shrimpies. Yeah, folks, we got a airline thing above our house here. Hi folks, we back with you. We just had to flip these steaks over right here, and just got them. We put a little butter on those right there, and we also got this and we got butter, some garlic butter. We put our garlic, our squeezed garlic on there. That's a whole lot better than making mincemeat out of garlic bulbs. They're not very easy to work with. So I just assume biting a little squeeze bottle. It works just as good, tastes just as good, and you never know the difference. Nobody ever knows the difference. But these shrimpies, man, they're looking good. They just got to turn a little pink, and they'll be pink here in just a few minutes. They don't take long. These steaks is about ready to come off. They are popping. Them little shrimpies are popping. Yeah, I'm popping there. They want to get off that grill and get in the tummy. No doubt about it. Let's see here. Let's get my knife here. Yeah, buddy. Them's ready to come off. One thing about these Blackstone grills, you can take a knife and cut right on your grill top. It doesn't bother it, not in the least. You have to keep an eye on your knife though, because it will put a little dull edge on it. But that's Look at there, folks. That's some, as Matthew Hussey would say, that's some good groceries. Honey hush. Alrighty. Well, we're going to shut it down for just a second. Then clean it up here for a minute. And get this strippers off the grill. Get this steak off the grill. And we got one more little surprise for you. And then we'll be done for the afternoon. Alrighty. Master Chef Pork Chop. Be back in a sec. Hi folks. Master Chef Pork Chop back to you. Coming live from the Little Blackstone. Get you one little bitty dilly. And then we'll be done for the evening. I had to clean up the grill, make sure it's all good and clean. But anyway, let the Cornbread Diva focus down here. Look at there, folks. It is a volcano onion. And look how cute he is. We're going to put a little oil in him.
Do we have a fire extinguisher for this?
No.
I'm serious about that. We've already had one mishap tonight. You know what you're doing. Isn't this thing supposed to blow?
It's steaming.
It's steaming, that's for sure. I'd still like to see your eyebrows in the morning, so don't be putting any butane on it.
Look at there, folks. Alright, that is the...
How's this thing going to taste?
Huh?
How's this thing going to taste?
It's going to taste?
Yeah, with all the oil and the soy sauce.
It just tastes like an onion.
It's a slippery onion.
Yeah, it's a slippery little devil.
This is a skill, no doubt.
Yeah.
If anybody knows how to do the volcano onion, do not attempt it at my house. But if you can put the fire in one, submit it, and if we like it, we may give you a free casserole for Thanksgiving. Submit it in the comments.
That is a rather odd looking onion.
It looks like a Pillsbury.
It does kind of look like a Pillsbury.
Or like the Michelin Man.
Michelin Man, yeah. Alright folks, you seen it here on the Master Chef Pork Chop channel. No doubt about it. Onion's a little hard to do, but I think we attempted it there. It does what it's supposed to do. I didn't do no fire because I don't put no alcohol in it. So if we got an umbrella above us here too, we don't need to set it on fire. Alrighty, well y'all have a good evening, a good afternoon, and we're gonna say good day to you. Me and the Cornbread Diva is gonna partake of these victuals. Take care, God bless, from the Master Chef Pork Chop and the Cornbread Diva. Like and subscribe and ring that bell. We love you and we need you. God bless.